Good morning, I'm Ben. You're currently watching Ben Matcha. On the title, we have the Jordan 1 Gold Toe review today, and I haven't got them yet. It's currently 9 o'clock. The UPS man usually comes around, I would say about 11, 12. So we'll wait for that. So when the shoes come here, I'm going to get them, unbox them, and we'll start the day off right. So I just got these in the mail. Let's take a look at these. Let's go unbox these. So like I said, I'm doing a different style of review. So I got these right here. Let's open them up. This is my first W I took on the sneakers app. Let's see what we got here. Well, if you guys watched the last video, or the second to last video I posted, you would know. You know this type of tape. And here the rain is really raining out. So you know the tape where it's from. And look inside the box. Let's get it on this side. Woo-wee! Got that nice Jordan 1 box. Woo! Look at that. Very nice box. Let's get these out. A receipt. Throw the box to the side. Got my receipt. Let me check this out first. From Nike. You know, these are 100% authentic. I've been seeing a lot of fakes floating around with these. So I had to show you guys that these are 100% authentic. 100% the real deal. Straight from Nike sneakers app. You can see the size. I got my true to size 10 right there. Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG NRG. Let's take a look at these. Woo! Oh yeah. Stamped on this inside. You guys ready? Oh man, here we go. Here we go. Woo! Wee! Look at these. These are sexy, man. Look at those. Oh man. Definitely worth the money, man. Definitely worth that $160 price point. Oh, man. Oh, yeah. Woo! You can see some dust on them. But, man, oh, man. So, I got both of them. Woo! Here they are. So, we're going to hit you with that full review. So, we just unboxed these. As you guys saw, I copped these right off the sneakers app. I got up at 9:30, got ready, got all my information ready, put my passwords in and all that. And right at 10 o'clock, hit pay now. And I got these really easy. I think it took about 4 minutes. I was in line for about 4 minutes. And you got it. Here we have the Jordan 1 Gold Toes right here, man. Woo! These are shiny, but it's not going to be a typical review where I just sit down here and review the shoe for you. It's going to be a vlog type of review. I've never seen this done before on YouTube. I think I'll be the first one. I'm trying to, be different this year. And I hope you guys like this review type of style of video I'm doing. So where should we start? We should start from the... Well, first, let's start with the name. Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG NRG. NRG, we have that with Jordan Brand. That means it's a limited release. And these were really limited. I was watching some videos, and people were saying that they had 8 to 10 pairs at their store, which is crazy. Sneakers app was hard to get them on. People struck out on the sneakers app. A lot of people struck out on House of Hoops, East Bay, and all that, man. So these were actually really hard to get. This is the third Jordan 1 patent leather that they ever made. The first one was, of course, the black and gold patent leather. They go for like $2,000 on up. And then the second one, released a little bit ago, top 3 Jordan 1. Then we have this one right here, the gold toe. Jordan Brand rarely does patent leather on Jordan 1s, but when they do, man, they kill it. So this is the third patent leather Jordan 1 that they came out with. So let's start with the review. Start from the bottom. So you got this all black outsole. I love the black outsole. I like that they did the black and not white, because white just gets really dirty. I have the white Jordan 1 Cyber Mondays. Let me get that for you. These right here, and look at the bottoms, man. I wear these like all the time, and I keep them clean. So I like Jordan 1 bottoms. White I hate, but if it was black, I would definitely be wearing these like every day. I do love the black bottom, and then you have the white midsole and that all white. And the smell, man. I love the smell. I could smell Jordan 1s all day. It's like a brand new car smell. Better than that. They should make some cologne with Jordan 1, Jordan 1 smell. I just love that Jordan 1 smell. So let's get back into the day. So I just got done filming a skit video. I just had to unbox these again because these are brand new. So I'm making a skit video. I'm not going to tell you the idea because I don't want no one to take it, because this video has not been done before. It's a skit video. This is one scene done. I got one scene checked off. I have to do 4 more scenes. This is going to be a 5-scene video. A nice skit. Man, I'm so excited for you guys to see it. So definitely stay tuned to the channel for that. Yeah, this scene right here took at least 30 to 40 minutes on itself. So stay tuned for that. It should be going up next week or something. I'm not sure, but yeah, so I just got done doing that. So I'm definitely, for these vlogs, I'm going to show you behind the scenes of what I'm doing, projects I'm doing and all that. So yeah, this is one of them, really big project. Another one is my Hypebeast t-shirt collection coming soon too. And another one is how to lace Jordan 1s coming up really soon. So stay tuned for that. I'm filming that video this week sometime, so definitely stay tuned for that. You have two different panels. You have the white with the black swoosh, and on the other side, you have the black with the gold swoosh. I really like that they added two different panels, so it's just not white and black and white and black. I like that they split it up like that compared to the other one that they released, the all black with the gold. I like that because if you take a picture with the shoe like this and the black, it looks like you have two different shoes. Kind of like the top threes, but different. I really like that. People really don't like the white and black. I really love this white and black part right here. I was watching some reviews, and the black and gold part I really didn't like on camera, but in person this pops, man. That gold pops right off that black. But for some reason, man, I just love that white and black part. Man, I don't know, it's just something about it just pops out. It breaks up. You can see white and black right there. I don't know, I just love that. I'm just down here watching Undisputed with Skip Bayless and Shannon Sharpe, man. I love that show. You guys like watching sports shows or not? Let me know down below. I'm just gonna tell you guys about the laces right here. 3 different sets of laces. You have the black lace, you have this gold lace, and you have the white lace. And when I got these gold ones, I mean, look at the bag. I mean, look at that. Come on, Jordan Brand, come on. Give me that bag like that. Really like that they added 3 laces because, you know, the black, obviously, I think I'll go with, but it's nice to have 2 different sets of laces. You know, you never know when you're going to want to change them out, or if you want another shoe with white or gold, you know. It's just nice having different sets of laces. For 160, you know, you really can't beat it. That's why I love Jordan Brand adding accessories. So this is the difference. This is on the Air Jordan 1 Cyber Mondays from like last year. And now these are what they're doing this year. They're putting them on these type of bags instead of these bags. Laced up like that. Little different. Switch up from Jordan Brand. So just because you get bags like this and the new ones don't mean they're fake. Just because you get bags like this don't mean they're fake. So just watch out for them. I'm going to get back to watching Undisputed. They're talking about LeBron James, the king, my favorite basketball player, my favorite team, Cleveland Cavaliers. I'm going to get back to this, hit you with the review later. So now, you know, sadly, I'm going to have to retire these sweatshirts because it is going into summertime. You know, it's getting down to 50s, 60s over here. So I'm going to put all these sweatshirts in the closet, and I'm going to put all my shirts up here. So stay tuned for the next vlog I'm going to do. I'm going to show you everything. So I'm just showing you a little sneak peek right now. I will be doing it now, and I will be showing you in another vlog. So I was thinking, where could we end the review at? I think this would be the right place to do it. I haven't filmed here in like 2 weeks, so let's get right into the last part of this review. It is the quality and the creasing. Probably what you all want to know. Will these crease? And how's the quality like? Well, first off, the quality. So the quality is just patent leather. So it's leather with some plastic stuff over top of the leather. Quality actually is pretty good. Stitching is amazing on these. There is some mishaps on the wings panel. But other than that, it looks pretty good to me. From what I can see, everything looks good to me. On the back, everything looks good. And then will these crease? These things are gonna crease like crazy, man. I have these ones. These are regular Air Jordan 1 Cyber Monday, and look at these crease too. But this actually looks good. I like how these look beat up and all that. Jordan 1s look nice beat up, but these ones are not gonna look nice beat up at all. There's gonna be a lot of creasing here. For me, creasing happens here and here. Not so much here, but right here, this part is gonna crease like crazy. Maybe the back part right here is gonna crease. I mean these you're not gonna bust out every day. I mean, you have to wear these, you know, carefully. They are a very nice shoe. Can't wait to style these for you. I do have some nice outfits to go with these, so look out for how to style Air Jordan 1s coming out, and I will be doing how to style Air Jordan 1 lows. And we have a place cleared out for these shoes right here. They're gonna go right here. So yeah, man. And last but not least, the last thing I want to talk about is, am I keeping these shoes? Am I going to keep these? Hold on, before we get into that, take a look at the insole. The insole has a gold Nike Air on a white footbed. But yeah, am I going to keep these? Am I going to sell them? What am I going to do? I came to the conclusion that I am going to keep these bad boys. I'm definitely keeping these. There's no way I'm going to sell them no matter what the price goes up to. I am keeping these in my collection. I have nothing like this, and if I sell them, I'm definitely going to regret it. So I'm just going to keep these in my collection and wear them, you know, and these are just so nice. I could have doubled up on these, but, you know, it is what it is. I got one. I'm grateful for one. So, yeah, I love these. I'm keeping them. I'm not selling these no more. I'm not selling these. I will be clipping the laces off, and I will be doing a how to lace Jordan 1s pretty soon, so stay tuned for that. Maybe next week I'll be doing that video, so stay tuned for that. This is the hardest part to do when you get new Jordans. You gotta cut this bag off. Now they're mine. Like I said, I ain't selling these. Jordan Brand, what'd you do, man? Look at these. So I hope you guys liked the video. I hope you liked the review I did on these. It's not a typical review like you just sit here and review it like this. You know, this is the Jordan 1 patent leather OG bread toe. You know, it's not like that. I really liked it. Switched it up a little bit, you know. Gave it something different, something, you know, unique. And I don't want to be different this year. I want to stand out this year. And I hope I'm going to do these reviews every time I get a shoe now. It's not going to be a simple review now. I'm just going to, you know, up the production of these videos. And stay tuned for that skit coming out pretty soon. And room tour coming pretty soon. And yeah, I hope you liked the video. And we have a giveaway going on. All you gotta do is subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications, follow me on Instagram, BenMacho_, and comment down on the giveaway video. Be giving away at 1,000 subscribers. And at 500 subscribers, we're doing my sneaker collection video. And I hope you liked the video. And if you did, make sure to like, comment, and of course subscribe. And until next time, peace.